Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best cold press juicers in 2024, top 5 available on Amazon. Number 1. Kuvings REVO830W. Introducing the Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer, REVO830W, a revolutionary juicing machine. Its dual-sized chutes and bladeless chopping design minimize waste while maximizing juice yield. The extra-wide 88mm and 48mm food chutes accommodate various fruits and vegetables. Create thick smoothies, sorbets, and nut milk with the included attachments. Cut prep time by feeding whole ingredients directly into the auto-cutting screw. The quiet yet powerful motor preserves freshness without oxidation, easy to clean with a wider outlet. Trust Kuvings, serving quality for 40 years with a 15-year warranty. Upgrade your juicing experience today. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Juicer. Upgrade your juicing experience with the AMZCHEF Slow Cold Press Juicer. Its 7-spiral masticating system guarantees high juice yield, minimal oxidation, and maximum nutrition. This versatile machine can be used as a juicer, meat grinder, or slicer shredder, attachments sold separately. With a small feeder chute for removing seeds and ensuring safety, it's perfect for the whole family. Easy to assemble, clean, and backed by a 2-year warranty, it's the ultimate choice for healthy living. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Breville Juice Fountain Cold XL. Breville Juice Fountain Cold XL is a powerful juicer, features a larger 3.5-inch feed chute, and can extract a generous 70 fluid ounces of juice up to 5 times faster than traditional cold press machines. With cold spin technology and an Italian-made precision mesh filter, it ensures vitamins and minerals are preserved by avoiding heat and excessive processing. Enjoy shorter prep time as the wide chute allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. Experience quieter juicing with noise reduction technology. Store your juice in the extra-large jug or juice directly into a glass with the drip-free nozzle. Elevate your juicing game with the Breville Juice Fountain Cold XL. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. SiFENE Cold Press Juicer Machine. Introducing SiFENE Cold Press Juicer Machine, your efficient juicing solution. With its dual feed chute system, enjoy uninterrupted, clog-free juicing and save time. Extract maximum flavor and nutrients from fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens with our low-speed, high-yield process. The smart juice cap ensures even mixing and safe operation. Its compact design fits under cabinets, and cleaning is a breeze with removable parts. Customer satisfaction guaranteed with lifelong customer service. SiFENE, your ultimate juicing companion. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. HOUSNAT Cold Press Juicer Extractors. Experience the HOUSNAT Cold Press Juicer Extractor, a versatile addition to your kitchen. Its low RPM process preserves freshness for up to 72 hours in the refrigerator, retaining maximum nutrition. The upgraded 7-segment spiral masticating system ensures high juice yield and separation of pulp. Disassembling and cleaning is a breeze. The durable motor operates quietly, and the soft and hard modes cater to various ingredients. With a small feeder chute for safe juicing, enjoy fresh and delicious juices every day. HOUSNAT, your go-to for healthy living. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.